Are you into investment? Or are you the type of person who always want to invest but don't know how to begin? If you are into investment, where do you get the money to invest? And how to get started? Nandito pa rin po tayo sa pagpapaliwanag ng source of income factors to use for retirement. Meron po tayong siyam na pagkukunan ng income during our retirement, and we are detailing our second source of income, which is cash savings. At nasa huling part na po tayo ng cash savings topic. In this video, I'm going to discuss anything you need to know about cash savings for investment. So stay tuned until the end to learn about why do we save money for investment, what is investment, when and where should I save money for investment, and how to save cash money to use for investment. My fellow mga kababayan natin na OFW, my global nephews and nieces, ang channel na ito ay para sa inyo. Kung gusto mo na maalalayan ko kayo sa inyong financial independence journey, through my actual experiences, you will learn on how to build wealth. Maaga po akong nagretiro dahil narating ko na ang aking financial independence status. At dahil narating ko na ang status na ito, hayaan niyong ibahagi ko ang aking kaalaman para kapulutan nyo ng maganda at magamit na guide sa inyong paglalakbay. Please watch until the end of this video para malaman mo kung ano ang mga dapat malaman tungkol sa saving cash to use for investments. But before we continue and so we can help many kababayan na nag-i-struggle kung paano magsimula, paano maglakbay at paano makarating, please share this video so we can help many of our kababayan. Please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and smash the like button. Why do we need to save to invest? So maybe we need to understand first why do we need to invest. We want to be financially independent. Your investment enables you to be independent and not rely on the money of others in any event of financial hardship. It ensures that you have enough money to pay for your needs and wants for the rest of your life without having to rely on someone else or having to work in your old age. We want to build our wealth. We invest in developing our wealth, which means that we need to save to invest. In this process, the proceeds from the investments, whether dividends or interest earned, can be reinvested into the same financial instrument or even something else. Attain our goals. Some people set specific goals in life and invest to achieve those goals. For example, if it is your dream to buy a house or a new car or take a trip around the world, the goal you set would be your motivation to invest. It is vital that you list down your goals and how much money you need to achieve the goal. Your goals could be short-term, medium, or long-term in nature. Investing your money according to your plans will enable you to grow your money and achieve your goals quickly without working all your life. Whatever your reason to invest, you need the money for investment. So, where will you get that money? What is the cash for investment? Based on my experience and practice, the cash for investment is the money I saved after my emergency cash reserve goal is met or established. Where should I keep my money? You may keep your money in the bank in different account, or you may deposit the fund directly to the brokerage account if investing in stock market. You can use your existing bank to establish a new account to build cash savings for your business capital, later on buy rental properties, or build your type of business to choose. When should I start savings? You may begin to save for this fund the moment you establish your emergency cash reserve. Here are the scenarios based on the emergency cash reserve formula I have used for my previous videos in episode 5. How and how much should I save, Tita? It depends on what type of investment you want to pursue. If you want to invest in the stock market, you may invest now if you have as little as $100. You can deposit whatever money you have in excess from your emergency cash reserve savings. If you are planning to have a food, retail, finance, service business, you need to study them first to identify how much capital you would need to save for investment. So it will vary depending on what type of business you choose. If you plan to have your first rental property, you will need to find out how much down payment you would need to save for this type of investment. Between the second and the third types of investment, we will require significant capital for those, and it would take your time to build to cash savings for investment. That is why most people want to invest in the stock market, because you can invest a small amount of money. Whatever you may choose, this will be your armor to be financially ahead. But of course, you should start with your savings. We use these three approaches in our case, but in a different order. We bought the house first, established our home care business, and bought rental properties. Finally, we invest in the stock market. The following are the lessons we learned from our experience and hope to help you along your journey. The approaches we did were promising, but I will invest in the stock market much earlier if I redo it again. We established our emergency cash reserve way too strong. Like instead of 6 months ECR, we did 3 years reserve. And it was in the bank for an extended period with significantly less potential of growing. And that is it for today, guys. This is our last part of cash savings video. Our next video will be our third source of income for retirement, and that is IRA account. Don't forget to subscribe, ipamahagi ang kwento na ito, smash the like button at kalimbangin ang kampana at mag-iwan ng iyong komento. Salamat po and keep safe. Ito ang inyong Tita Florita, your Global Tita.